How to set Instagram chat theme to normal. If any day you would like to set your Instagram chat theme to normal but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then go to Instagram application. Now you can see the various chat of the very person which you have set the theme to. For example, there is one of my friend and I have set the very chat theme to the theme Lofi. Now in order to change the very chat theme to the normal theme, I have to tap on the option of the very person there, and after that I can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the theme. After you go to the option of the theme, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to change the theme to the other any kind of theme, you can just go to any of the option there. But if you'd like to change it to the normal theme, you have to go to the option of the default there and tap on default. And after you tap on default, your very chat theme will be changed into the normal theme from your very fancy themes. If again you would like to change it, you have to tap on the very person like that and go to the option of theme there. And again you can also change it back to any of the other theme. For example, JLO theme, Valentine's Day theme, Love theme, Bob Marley theme. But if you just want to set it to the normal, you have to scroll down. You can go to the default form or any of the normal option out there. So this way you can set your chat theme to normal. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.